Alright, so I got a box from Australian Natural Protein Company. Let's see what they sent me. Okay. And this glued in. Is it glued in? Yeah, it's glued in. Okay, open. Wow. I love the packaging. This is the pure vanilla bean. An organic artisan cocoa. Each bag is 1 kilo. Here they are. Very, very nice packaging. Each scoop is 20 grams of protein. So let's try make a mix now. Give you a live tasting. Little protein shaker. I'm going to do 300 milliliters of just water, no milk. I want to see how it tastes without milk. And let's start with the chocolate flavor. And I've been bulking so much, this protein has been very handy. Open it up. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like cocoa. Is there a scooper in here? Just in case there isn't, I'm going to use my own scooper. "33 scoops. Okay. Wow, I like the texture. Okay, that's 1 scoop in. Okay, let's try it. Here's a taste test. Wow, really nice. Tastes like hot chocolate. Mmm. Really nice, sweet. Really nice and sweet. It does taste like cocoa powder. Is there any sugar inside? Yeah, I don't see any sugar. Oh yeah, there's 2.5 grams, so not that much sugar. Very nice. Mmm. Really nice, and this is just water, no milk. Very good first impressions. Australian natural protein company. Artisan sort of flavors, all natural. Very happy.